You don't have toys? You don't have? O do ikaw, I have gift for you.
Julie, this rocking horse is so much fun.
James, today we're practicing layups.
Julie, this snack is so delicious. Let's have the match today.
What did you say to Mama? Oh, kiss Mama. Kiss me. Yee.
Let's work together.
Clean up.
Open.
Yee. Oh, you clean up your mess. Clean up your mess. Clean up first. Yee. Are you happy? How many percent? 100? Love. Love na, love. This is your money. Clean up your mess na. You play na your new toy, okay?
Papa, clean up my hand.
It's okay. Ayan, nandyan.
Ready? 1, 2.
Tara dito. Clean up your mess.
How about wash my hand?
You follow my instruction so that Mama will give you a toy, okay? Don't be fight Mama, okay? Open na. You open na. Open. Let me see.
How about wash your hand?
First,
Yeah.
bakit? Your hands is dirty? It's good. Hugas pa ng kamay. Bakit bagay yun? Are you excited to play the car? Yay! 300 to. Yay! Yung unboxing na. You pull. You may pull.
Oh, it's broken.
It's okay.
Oh, no. Oh, it's broken.
Can I see?
Wow.
Ayan na. It's for selling. Yes.
Mine.
Don't smell.
Wow.
You keep this toy all
Oh,
every
no.
time, okay?
Oh, it's broken.
Can I see? Yeah.
Wow, make it. Oh. No.
I will sell that.
Oh, mine.
I will sell.
Like me. Like me. Am I not playing it?
Are you thirsty? You thirsty? Huh? Are you thirsty, Joaquin? Yay, baby pa yung bed.